This with the red bark is the fuchsia tree. It's kind of crazy because like you can feel that it's basically spongy and wet. It's like cool to the touch and just sort of like radiating water, and you can see it rots out because it's just wet all the time, and that's just part of its deal. So here's one of the flowers that's green. So this is, I think, before it gets pollinated, and then it changes color. Check this out. Looks so much more mature. They get their beaks up in there and come away with blue pollen on their faces.